Hey guys, excuse my appearance, but I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul. We just got back from vacation. I'm putting the food away, so I'm gonna be doing the grocery haul with you guys right now. I asked you on Twitter and you guys wanted to see this, so I'm gonna show you what I picked up from a health food store because I found a ton of meat alternatives at this grocery store. What are you doing? And I'm so excited. I went crazy and bought a whole bunch of stuff. I'm also gonna throw in the stuff we bought from Cardenas for Julio and the kids, and some stuff we got from Mexico, just because it's all food related. The kids are all loud as always. You want to say hi, Nate? Say hi. I haven't put stuff away yet. I just literally got home and started unpacking. I have some dirty clothes on the floor. So I have 2 boxes here full of food that I'm going to share with you guys. I'm going to unload this and show you guys everything that I got. And then over here I have some other stuff we got from Mexico and from Cardenas when we were in Las Vegas. So I will show you guys that all in just a second. Okay, so I took everything out of the box. So I'm not kidding you guys, I bought a crap load of stuff. This is all from, I think it was either called Natural Groceries or Natural Grocers. I'll leave the name here for you guys. I just can't remember the name of the store. But I bought 2 of these sweet and tangy barbecue wings. I bought 2 sizzling, I'm not even going to pronounce that, beefless strips. These here I have tried before and they are phenomenal, but Walmart is always sold out and they don't carry them here in my town. So I got 3 of these and they're the Mandarin Orange Crispy Chicken. I kid you guys not, that is so ridiculously delicious. I got 2 of these over here. My friend actually got these for me in Vegas and they were delicious. I got 2 of these, the Ultimate Beefless Ground. I guess it's like ground beef. I've never tried this one. 2 of these classic meatless meatballs. Chipotle Lime Crispy Fingers, 2 as well. So I'm like stocked up here, so when I don't have my HelloFresh during the week, I will make some of this. I found some vegan jerky that I've been wanting to try for a while, so I'm gonna actually try that in a little bit. Some soy riso, which is supposed to be like chorizo. So I just bought 2 of those. These are kind of like brats, and I have tried these before and they are really good. So I bought 2 of those. So I got one of these. This actually I tried in my HelloFresh before I went on vacation and it was really, really good. So I picked up another one of these. So this one's jackfruit, and then this one is a barbecue jackfruit one. Julio got this ground elk burger, so he's gonna try that. That's everything I got from the health food store. This is some stuff over here we got in Vegas and Mexico. So Julio got himself 2 12-packs of this Corona from Cardenas. I got some cajeta from Tijuana. We got 3 different tequilas. We've never tried this Coralejo. This is the tequila blanco. This bottle was so cute and I wanted to try it. It's another tequila and it's tequila blanco. The bottle just got me, so I wanted to try it. And then this one we get every time we go now. It's delicious. It will not give you a hangover. It's just really, really good. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. I got some queso from Cardenas. I picked up some queso fresco. And then 2 of these Oaxaca quesos to make quesadillas. I got 2 cremas. One is crema con sal and the other one is crema Oaxaca. I got 2 pounds of each. That is all from Cardenas, and this as well. So I just wanted to stock up on this because it's a big container of nopales and they normally just have the little one here in town. In Tijuana I bought some chocolate. Julio got churros, so he got himself a total of 48 little mini bags. He gets the one with the mouse, and then I got some other churros over here. Lastly, in our cooler, we've got 15 pounds of carne asada and 10 pounds of chicken fajitas, and then the rest of his beer that's in here because I spilled one of his boxes, like it fell out of the back, and I broke a bottle, so he had to put them in here. But that's pretty much everything grocery-wise. So I hope you guys like this little grocery haul. Let me know down below if you've tried any of this, and if you guys want me to do a cook with me video with anything, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back. So my HelloFresh order is here. I completely forgot it was gonna come today. Today is Wednesday, and we just got home yesterday from our vacation, and I did a quick little grocery haul for you guys. So I might throw this in with that as well so you guys can see, just because when I got my HelloFresh 2 weeks ago before we left, I just quickly showed you guys on Snapchat and Instagram stories. So I just figured I would unbox it because I was really happy with my first box. So I'm going to show you guys this one, and it's super cute. Delicious ingredients you'll love to eat. I have the vegetarian option. I just like the box. It's like very appealing to me. Up here it just has my address, and then it says HelloFresh again up here. So we're gonna get into this, and I don't even remember what meals I'm supposed to be getting this week. So we're gonna be checking this out together, and then I'll probably read some more about it on my app. But let's get into it. So this time it's like wrapped inside this, so I'm gonna pull it out and see. That's really cool. So it's cool. I think it's just one of those things that keeps your food fresh and like cold. So I'm gonna pull these out for you guys. Okay, so my box is empty. And then I put this on the floor. Nathan's gonna play with it, of course. Say hi! The ice pack is underneath there. Last time we got an ice pack as well. So I have everything here, and I'm super excited to see what I'm gonna want to cook tonight. So here we have the butternut squash agnolotti. Agnolotti? I don't know how to say that. We've got some sweet potato and black bean tacos, which that sounds pretty delicious. I might do that. And then we've got some vibrant veggie skewers. And then we also have the butternut squash like pasta here. So that's probably gonna go with that. It's really cool, you guys. I have it for 3 days out of the week. It comes with all the information. I love these papers because they show you what you're supposed to do. They also have an app that you can follow. Also, the nutritional information comes with it, which is really cool. That's cute. That's what this was. It was just hiding. So they want to make sure you get everything out of your box. But this is really simple. It's really easy. I've been really loving it. And like I said, I do the vegetarian one, but I just quickly wanted to just show you guys what I got for this week. And because I'm the only one that's eating this food, I can turn it into 6 dinners, or I can do 3 days worth of lunch and dinner, because I always cut it in half. The first time I did my HelloFresh, it came with a couple coupons and stuff, and I gave it to a few friends. Some of them already got their HelloFresh boxes, and they said they really enjoyed it. So I think next time I get more coupons, I'll definitely put it up on Snapchat or Instagram, see if anybody wants to try it out. But it's super cool, you guys. I mean, it's easy. It comes to your door. You don't have to think about what you want for dinner other than saying, which one do I want to make for dinner? So these all look freaking delicious. And a lot of the food I got the first time, I was like, wow, I never would have thought to make that. and everything was delicious that I tried last time. So I'm really excited for this week's food. This ginormous ice pack though is gonna go in my freezer just because you never know, and the other one came in handy when we went out of town. I put it in our big cooler to keep our drinks cold and stuff, so that's gonna come in handy for sure. That is this week's HelloFresh. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and like I said, I'll be inserting all of this with my little grocery haul that I filmed for you guys yesterday, so I hope you guys like it. If you guys like these types of videos, or if you guys want me to do a dedicated cooking video or a dedicated unboxing video going more into detail about my HelloFresh, just let me know down below in the comments and I will definitely do that for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.